Today I'm going to show you the viral bacon burger that you've been seeing all over social media. Let's get to it. Welcome back, guys, to 2026. We're back at it. And today I'm excited to try this. I've been seeing this on Instagram and I was like, I need to try that. So I've never done it, but it seemed pretty cool to do it. So I'm going to show you guys here how to do this on our Pit Boss. All right, so pretty much what you just need is bacon, ground beef, and the rub that you prefer. So let's go ahead and take some strips out. So I got 1 pound of ground beef. See if I can make two of these. So you're gonna lay out your bacon like this. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna have some meat, some of the ground beef, and then just put it right on top. And do the same to all four. To all of them, to all three. This is something, like I said, I saw this and I was like, man, this looks pretty good. And I definitely wanted to try it, and I figured this would be perfect for my first video back, and then add some more on the ones that needs. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and start here and just roll it up. Just like that, but we're doing a burger, so we're doing two. And just like that. And then we're gonna press it a little bit. Do the same on this one. And then put it on top of this and just roll it. And then just kind of press it a little bit down. What we're gonna do is grab a toothpick so we can close this part of the bacon in a little bit. And right here, like that. So now here we go. Now we're gonna add our rub of choice all over it. Make sure you get all over it on the sides. Same thing to the other one. All right, so here you guys have it. Like I said in the video, it looked great. I mean, the people that have tried it said they love it. We're gonna give it a try. So we're gonna transfer these bad boys into our cooking grates here. Now, we're gonna put our Pit Boss at 300 degrees. Internal temp that we're going by is 165. Now, if you guys like your burger a little bit less than that, it's gonna take less time than what mine is. Now, like I said, however you guys want to do the internal temp, it's up to you. You guys are the one eating it. I like this. I'm gonna do it at 165. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Pit Boss. All right, our Pit Boss is up to temp. Let's go ahead and put these bad boys in here. All right, we'll be back when they hit 165. All right, these are ready to come out. 165, look at those. All right, guys, welcome back. So here you have it, your smoked barbecue pinwheel burgers on the Pit Boss. So before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, so let's go ahead. I forgot to put the cheese on to melt while it was in there. So I was gonna put only on one of them. So I'll do it out here. So we're gonna go ahead and add some mayonnaise, some mayo. Add some lettuce on that, a little bit of ketchup. A little bit of diced onions. Now we put it in there. Now I'm excited to try that. Let me know in the comments if you guys will try something like this, or what would you guys do different from what I did. Add that over here. Bam. That looks pretty good. Not gonna lie, it looks good. Let's try it. It was not bad. Pretty good. It's something new to try. I think I would do one with some barbecue on it. Glaze some barbecue on that. Still cook it in there. I think that'd also be really good. But this is not bad. It's pretty good. I give it about an 8. Would it taste the same if I just put bacon on top? Maybe. That's good. I like it. If I had some company and I wanted to impress, I'll do something like this so they can be like, ooh. I'll be like, yeah. So that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought about this. We got a lot more coming today. This is the first video of the year. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.